Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Manita as usual. So in today's video we are going to look into my morning routine and some other clips from my daily life. So let's get started with this video. Oh yes, don't forget to subscribe and like this video guys. Good morning. So after washing my face and drinking a cup of tea, I start by clearing my bed. This is the most important thing because after I come back from office, I want it to be clean and made properly. So that's what I do guys. So the previous day I washed some shoes and home slippers, as you can see, Uggs and all, which are very necessary nowadays. So now I am drying it because it's a sunny day today. So after that I'm going to prepare lunch for myself. Now I am going to cook rice. Soon enough the rice is cooked, and now I'm going to pack my lunch. So this is the curry. It is a leftover from my dinner and it is going to be perfect for me today. So I'm going to pack this as well. So off I go to the office. Bye. See you later. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Manita. Welcome back to another episode of Living Alone Diaries. For today I have another unboxing or new products to be shown in my collection for our daily use. So the first thing is this ear case laptop sleeve. This one is really nice. I use this for my laptop. I really needed it, and this is the thickness. It is very cushiony, as you can see. I can press and it has very good foam in it. So this is really nice. I use this and I got it from Amazon. I had a brother coming, so I asked him a favor to please order this for me because we don't get it over here. So this is the ear case. For another thing to be used in the laptop is this stand, which will be pasted underneath the laptop so that I can use it in various ways, like to keep it standing like this. So I will paste this under my laptop. Yes, that was the essential things, and another things are my makeup. This is a very important thing for me as well. So the first thing is that this is a mascara. It is Lash Paradise by L'Oreal Paris. I really wanted this. It's quite expensive as well, but this time I gave it a shot. Then I have this Etude House Ghee drying eyebrow pencil. So this is the one, very nice. Next I have a lipstick from Nykaa. This is in a very beautiful shade, dark, as you can see. Then lastly I have another lipstick by Nykaa as well, and this packaging I really loved it. So this one is also in the nude shade but a little lighter than the previous one. So this is the lipstick. Beautiful. So that's the thing for current haul. Keep on watching the vlog so that you will get to see more unboxing and more organizing videos. See you. So guys, just wanted to come here and talk about something. Recently I got my fridge or refrigerator from home because at home they bought another new fridge, so they wanted to send me the older one here. While bringing it here, it was standing and all. I did not record any of that part because I was very busy. But the while after bringing the fridge here, it wasn't working, in the sense it wasn't cooling down, but everything was working, everything else was working, just the cooling part was not there. Then I called, checked on Facebook and looked for some services that were available for electronic repair in Thimphu. I found a number and the person was busy, so I called another one and they agreed. They came home and took. So their name is Brothers Electronics, in that which is based in the main town itself. So they came and took the fridge, and they were saying that they cannot fix it over here at home, so they need to take the fridge to their shop. So they took it, and then they said that they will update me about the problem that is been happening in the fridge. And that day it was around 6, no, it was around 5:30 or something that they took the fridge to their shop. The next day I called to them and asked, you didn't update me what was the problem with the fridge. They said that there was some problem with the gas, not the compressor itself, but there was some leakage in the gas, so it wasn't cooling down. Then I said, okay, could you please fix it? They said that okay, it will not take more, and they will drop it by evening. Then that day when I called again after reaching home, they said that it is still being made and it is not completed, so we won't be able to deliver it today. They said that they will deliver it tomorrow, which is day before yesterday's 10 p.m. Then I said, okay, no problem, you can take your time. Then when I called next day, that is day before yesterday's 10 a.m., and I did not call, actually I was busy in the office, so I did not call. I waited for them to actually call and say that they are going to deliver, but then they did not. And towards the evening at around 4 or something, I called and asked them that, is the fridge being made, or could you deliver it today? They said that okay, we will do it. They said that the gas was still leaking and all, so they could not deliver it in the morning. Then I said, okay, no problem, so could you deliver it today then in the evening? They said okay, they will deliver it. Then I came home, I waited for them, and they were not calling. Okay, they were not calling in any of this time. It was only me calling them. When the person said that I will call you within 30 minutes, or I will ask to the shop, to the one who is making the fridge, I will ask him and tell you. But they don't call. It had been like 1.5 hours or so, they did not call. Then I waited for them again and they did not call. So I called again and I said, you said that you will please, you will tell me, you will tell me if it is being made or not. Then the person said that no, it is not been made. there was someone working under him in the shop, so he will deliver it. I was waiting for their response. I told him, you told me that you will inform, but you did not. So I was waiting for that response. Then again he said he will call in a while and all. So I waited and waited. Then when I called again, he was like, I'm not understanding his situation. The situation was that he told me that his sister passed away and he's busy at home doing the rituals. I said, okay, no problem. But then he could have at least given me the number of his worker who is in the shop, who is actually making my fridge, right? So I did not tell anything. Okay, no problem. Then I just told him that you said you will inform me, you did not. Then he was like, you're not understanding my situation and all. I said, okay, no problem, you could have just given me. While I was talking, he just hung up on me. Like, I was talking to him, telling that, can you could have given me the number of the worker who is making the fridge. Then he hung up on me. So I left it like that, and I was so frustrated. Like, it had been 3 days that the fridge was taken by them, and they are not at all following up on it, and not even telling me that they won't be able to deliver it today or tomorrow. Whenever I call, they are saying I will deliver it, but they are not doing it. So then I asked my sister, could you please call the person, could you please call that number and ask about the fridge, maybe, because I was feeling hesitant to call again and again. When my sister did, he was talking well. He said that he will deliver within 1 hour or so. So I was waiting. It was the fourth day that the fridge had been in their shop. So I was waiting, and then at the end, at around 9:30 to 10, the person just calls me and says that, sister, I won't be able to deliver the fridge because there has still been problem with the gas. Now we tried it for a couple of times, but the gas has been blocked. The gas is getting blocked and not getting released properly. So I thought, you could have told me this properly, that you won't be able to deliver it today. You could have just given me the time tomorrow. I have been waiting for that, right? And then the person said, the smaller one, the worker was talking properly. He was giving me good explanation. So I said, okay, you can deliver it tomorrow. What does the worker say is that, I told him, you could have just told me that you won't be able to deliver it today. Your boss just hung up on me. He said that he has short temper. So I said that, how does that work, right? For someone who is providing this service, how can that person be like that? He could have just told me that we are having this problem, we won't be able to deliver it today. So I just told him that, if you have problem, please tell me directly that you won't be. If they had just told me that they won't be able to make it, and if you have emergency, you can take it somewhere else, or they have faced some emergency at their home, so they won't be able to work for a few days, so they will be able to give it in that day or that. But no, what they think is that they will say, I will deliver in 10 a.m. No, I will deliver within 1 hour. No, I will call you within 5 minutes. No, nothing is there. Their service is so shitty. And then yesterday they brought the fridge at around 7:30 or something. After calling again and again, like forcing it so much, they brought it, and they told me to turn it, that it is working. They have tested it several times and it is working, so that I can turn the fridge on after 1 hour of keeping it standing, right? But I waited for like 3 hours or so, just to be in the safer side. When I turned it on, the fridge was not working at all. It was 10:30 at night, right? The fridge was not working at all. Before, when I asked them to please repair my fridge, then that time it was at least turning on. Just the thing was, it was not cooling down. But now nothing, it's just shut. Then I called the brother again, and I called the person again, and I said that the fridge is not turning on. They were just saying, please check the socket. I said the socket is working. Then they said, I'll come tomorrow and make, right? I'll come tomorrow and make. Then I said, okay, can you come in the morning? They said that they are having another puja at home, so they won't be able to come in the morning. I said, okay, no problem. After the puja, please come. Then nothing in the day. Okay, that is the talk of today, right? They said that they will come after the puja in the afternoon. Then I called at around 5 something. They're saying that, oh, I completely forgot. And then that he will come, but he's waiting for his brother to come from the town, because he does not have a vehicle, right? I said, okay, no problem, please come, at least come Don't just give me excuses that you will come and don't not coming. Just please come. I said that. Then now it is how much? See, it is 7:34 p.m. in the evening, and I just called. He's saying that he's still waiting for the car. Right, he's still waiting for the car. I just told him that I have been understanding your situation. You should also understand my situation. A person won't give his or her things to someone with so much trust if he or she was not in that needy state. Do you all agree or not? It's like so bad service. I cannot believe I landed in them. The thing is that they did not even take 10 minutes to take the fridge to their shop, but now it has been 5 days that the fridge has been taken, 4 days let's say, and it's still not working.
Many unbearable hours later.
Finally,